Hey guys, welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. Today is going to be a video on my face. So as you can see, I have this beautiful beauty blender. I also have this Fit Me set here for the foundation, my Physicians Butter collection by Wiley Wang, and then I dropped all of the highlighters, which really sucked, but I still had the bronzers and the blush. Then I have here this blush that I'll be using for my blush and my eyeshadow, or is that a highlighter? I don't know. And that's another blush as well, and that's what the color looks like, and it is in the color Chestnut. I also have this Stay Matte by Rimmel London. I have this Fit Me Matte Poreless, okay, and then I also have the shade 25 Medium, and this is the Fit Me Translucent Powder. And then I also have this Annabelle eyeliner that I will be using for my lash line. I have my lash curler, of course, and then I also have my Scandalous Eyes Extreme by Rimmel London, and this is my mascara that I will be using. And this here is a highlighter slash bronzer from Sephora, and the middle's gone. But yeah, so I'm starting off by taking my Stay Matte Rimmel London primer, and the reason why I like to use the matte collection is because my face is fairly oily, especially during the summer, so I like to use things that are more mattifying, due to the fact that my skin is very oily sometimes, and I am a sweater, so my face does tend to get sweaty. But when I do use products that are more mattifying, my skin stays nice and matte and non-sweaty. So I'm very excited to be showing you guys this makeup look because I never really wear makeup, but I'm super excited to show y'all how I do my makeup. So yeah. So here is my Get a Fabulous makeup brush collection, and please don't judge me, I am upgrading, but as you can see, I am taking here my brush for my setting powder. Now I'm going to be using this on my face. I have seen Malibu Stacy, and I'll place her screen on my screen here, so you can check her out as well. She has a video that helps to prevent your makeup from transferring. So I took some of her tips, and I am starting off by taking my setting powder and putting that on my face before I apply my foundation. Now, like I said, I do sweat a lot and I do have oily skin, so this really helps me to prevent my makeup from transferring and sweating and melting off. So I like to put this in the areas where I sweat the most, which is normally my T-zone, my nose area, and sometimes underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to apply that, and then I'm going to go in with my foundation. Okay, so yeah, I'm very excited to share this makeup tutorial. The majority of the products are drugstore bought, and the reason being is I don't want to go and spend like $100 on foundation because I know that I am not pretty perfect with makeup. So now here, as you can see, I have two different foundation, and the reason why I have two different foundations is because, as you can see, I am not one skin tone. So I like to use a darker and a lighter color, the ones that match my skin the most, and these mixed together will create my skin tone. So this Fit Me foundation did come, the set with the two sets came with a darker shade and a lighter shade that I bought on sale. So I mix that in, and it helps to make the foundation a little bit darker, and it also gives me a little tint and shine to my foundation. So as you guys can see here, I'm using my beauty blender to apply my foundation. Now I have a lot of beauty blenders that I really don't use, so this one was just a lucky one that I found, and plus it's super easy. I love these beauty blenders because you really can work the foundation onto your skin. So as you can see, I'm just pressing that foundation in, And yeah, and I just put as much as I think I need. I try not to overdo it because I don't want it to be cakey, but I also don't want there to be any spots. And another tip that I did take from Malibu Stacy is to use the pointy part of the sponge to apply it to underneath your eyes and just press the foundation in there so you're not ending up with, raccoon eyes. So yeah, I'm just going to dab that foundation in, and then we gonna move on to the next step. Okay, sis? Okay. Now, another thing that I must say is I have been using the Fit Me foundations for almost a few years. I remember back when I was in high school, I used to wear foundation a lot, but of course I took a break from makeup and I got used to, the natural look, and I stopped wearing it. And I only wore like, mascara, eyeliner, and that was pretty much all that I will wear for makeup because I am just not a makeup person. I just feel like it will just sweat off my face. But I'm just happy that there is products that are very mattifying and help your skin to, stay less oily, and there are products out there that are available for that purpose. So now I'm just about done applying my foundation. I like to make sure to get around my hairline area. Now, I have had a really bad experience with foundations, especially ones that don't really truly match my skin, and it did not look pretty. So now I'm just taking my Fit Me setting powder and I'm using my beauty blender to apply that to my face. Now I know a lot of you are gonna be like, girl, what are you doing? But this is what works for me and this works best. So I'm just going to apply that underneath my eyes, on my forehead to set the foundation. So I will be baking my face, but first I'm just applying a thin layer of the setting powder to my face. And this is another reason why I'm happy that I have it in my skin shade, because I can use it as a powder to apply on my face. And I don't know if this is bad or not, but this is what truly works for me. And I did practice a little bit with applying the foundation like probably a week ago prior to me filming this video, so I have an idea of what I'm doing. So I'm just applying the powder, and then yeah, I'm just trying to get that in there, trying to blend it all out and make sure it's all even. And I know right now at this stage I look like a ghost. I look like I'm all solid one color. But don't worry, I have gotten some notes from other YouTubers and I have done my research, and I do have the products to fix that right up. So that is how I look with the foundation. And now I'm just going to set underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to allow this setting powder to sit while I do my eye makeup. Now I am going to be using this blush as an eye makeup, and I just really like this color. I thought it was cute and I thought it matched my shirt, so I decided to use that on my eyes. So I'm just, as you can see here, I'm just packing on a layer on my eye and just covering the whole eye area. I'm not sure of the exact different names, but I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. Okay, and then I go ahead and I do the same thing to the other eye. And this is one thing that's really hard about makeup, okay, is just getting it to be perfect as the other eye. As you guys saw, I just took that bronzer from the Sephora bronzer slash highlighter set, and I put that in the middle crease section just to give it a little bit of depth and a little bit of definition. And I'm just putting that in between. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm just brushing that on, and I am using the same brush. Most of my small brushes got lost, but whatever. Now I'm just taking this highlighter for some shimmer, and I'm going to apply that to this part of my eye. I'm not sure the name of that part of my eye, but I'm just going to apply that highlighter there. And that is another reason why I decided to put the primer on my eye, because I feel like the primer actually truly helps the makeup to stick to your eyes. And the thing is, this day when I did my makeup, I did end up taking off the foundation and I left the eye makeup on, and it actually lasted the whole day. And I will insert pics at the end of how my face looked throughout the day. But you do see me here, I'm just putting the highlighter there, in the corners of my eyes. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to dust away any excess powder on my under eyes and any makeup that may have fallen underneath my eyes while I was doing my makeup. And don't worry, I know I look like a nude prune, but this makeup will be done soon. And I don't know what I was doing there, but I decided to do that. So now I'm just taking my beauty blender, the bottom half, and I'm just dabbing underneath my eye just to make sure the powder is set. And then I'm going to move on to what I did next. So now I'm just going to take my butter collection, and I'm going to take my bronzer, and I'm going to bronze my face. And I know some people don't do this, some people use contour, but I do not have a contour palette yet, so I just like to use this bronzer to give my face a little bit of definition and add some color back into my face because it was kind of looking a little pale, and I just went and fixed that up. And you guys will see as we continue down of me applying my makeup. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, and I'm just doing circular motions with my brush to make sure it gets evenly, you know, blended out so that there's no harsh lines as I'm applying the the bronzer. And the reason being you want to do that to blend it out is just so there is no harsh lines, because that will look weird if you're going outside and, you know, there's a straight line across your face. So I try my best to avoid that. And then I went in a little bit underneath on my neck area just to give my face some color. And then I attempted to contour my nose, but there was barely anything, as you can see. I just did a little bit just to give my face back some color, like I said. Now I'm going to take this glow palette that I got on sale, and this is supposed to be a highlighter, but I noticed it really wasn't doing much for me. I didn't see nothing. Now the highlighters that I like them to be glittery, shiny, and just, I don't know, something about highlighter. I just like when it sparkles, especially in the summer when it's just on your cheek and it just sparkles and it just shines off your face. That is the type of highlighters that I like. And I went in with my blush from my Butter Collections, and then I just add that on the cheekbones there. You guys just see me like making funny faces to make sure I'm putting it in the right spot. And I just drag that along just so I have more color to my face. As you guys can see, my face is looking a lot less pale than how it looked after I applied the foundation. Now if you just leave the foundation on your face is going to look weird and you're going to look sick. So like I said, I did not like how the highlighter was looking when I used that highlighter that I used previously. So I went in with my Sephora Collections and I just put some of that highlighter there on top of my lips, on my chin, on my forehead, and on the rosebuds of my cheek. You guys saw that when I first applied it. And yeah, I just like the sparkle from the highlighters. Then I'm just going to take my eyelash curler and curl my eyelashes. Now I like to curl my lashes before applying the mascara, just because, I don't know, I just don't like when mascara gets stuck to my eyelash curler because it's just a mess. Then I'm going to take my mascara, and you guys can see me using the really tip of the mascara brush, because doing this actually helps to separate your eyelashes and make them look a little bit more longer. And that's what I'm trying to do as I am applying the mascara. So I'm just using the tip to kind of guide my eyelashes and make them go a certain way that I want it to look. And you can curl your lashes after you apply the mascara, but for me personally, I do not like getting my mascara on my curler, because it's just a mess that you don't want to have to clean up, and you already have to clean up all the brushes and stuff. And my eyes are fairly sensitive to anything applying to my eyes. As you guys can see, my eyes were getting truly watery, but the makeup still came out look good because, you know, I kind of like let the tears come out, and I put my fingers underneath just to catch any water. Then I went in and I applied some eyeliner, which I ended up taking off before I left to go outside for the day. And like I said, my eyes get pretty watery when I try to apply anything to them. It doesn't matter if it's eyeliner or mascara. My eyes always get watery. I don't know why they're so sensitive. But that is the eye makeup, guys. Tell me what you guys think in the comment. Was that a good application? Is there something that I need to work on? So I decided at first to just wear lip gloss, but I didn't like how my lips looked so nude. Then I went and decided to just take off the lip gloss and the coloring that was created by the makeup. See, as you can see, I'm just wiping any eye water because I don't know, guys, I just didn't like how it was looking. So that's the makeup with the lights on, and I put a little bit of black eyeliner, and I don't know why I did this, but it still came out cute. I kind of lightened it a bit by taking a makeup wipe and just dabbing a bit. Mind my language if you heard something you didn't hear it. So as you guys can see, this is the finished look. I did end up putting on some Red Rouge lipstick just to make the look nice and make it pop a little bit. And yeah, guys, this is pretty much the finished face. Please don't mind my eyebrows. I did try to wipe as much as I can away, just because I didn't really like how the coloring looked. And yeah, you guys can see there's where after I decided to wipe some of that black eyeliner off my eyebrows. So this is the finished look, you guys. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Does it look good? Did I do a good job? Now, I'm still starting out. I'm still learning to do my makeup. So please don't come for me or judge me in the comments. Let me know what you thought. Like this video. Comment below. Should I do more makeup videos? And yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please give me some more tips below and any video ideas down below as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please come back for more. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, y'all.